Namaste, I'm Pompey Paul. Indian foods are really famous in all over the world. Do you want to learn how to cook Indian food? Swami Vivekananda Culture Center Bali is starting a new series called Indian Cuisine for you. Today we have Dr. Usha Puri with us and she is going to tell you about the series and about today's episode. Welcome ma'am.
Namaskar. Friends, cooking is an art and an art, India has a very rich in this art. When we say Ghar ka yummy in restaurant and professional chef, do you know why it is yummy? Because of the efforts of housewife. Housewife in his home kitchen make it tasty and flavorful. In India, every state have their snacks and food items which can be introduced in all over the world and very popular in all over the world, even in USA. But in this series, we are going to demonstrate how to cook it, how to make it in housewife kitchen with home items. Today, this Ghar Ka Yummy series will be started with Indian famous snack samosa. Mrs. Renu Gupta, who is expert in Indian snacks, will demonstrate how to make samosa. Samosa, today we are introducing with the stuffer, potato and peas. But it can be stuffed with minced meat, pasta, vermicelli, sheera, dry fruit as per your requirement and need. So I welcome Mrs. Renu Gupta to demonstrate how to make Indian samosa at home with home item.
Hello friends, Namaste. Let's make samosa today. So here is the ingredients we use. Miss Pompey, today we are going to make samosa. And now here I took 4 cup of maida
Okay.
and 1/4 of oil.
Okay.
And this is carom seeds.
Okay.
Okay. So we are going to put first carom seed in, and we will take 1 teaspoon carom seed and just rub it and put it in there.
So this is for the flavor.
This is for the flavor.
Okay.
Okay, Miss Pompey. Now we are going to put 1.5 spoon salt in it and make a hole now. And with the hands it would be better. Just mix it and then make a hole and put all the oil. 1/4 cup oil. This is like 4 cup of maida and we are taking 1/4 of oil. Now we will mix it. Now we will use water, slow. Take little water and don't take put once in a bowl. Just take little water and mix it. So now this is the dough.
Okay. So it's a bit tight. Is it?
Yes, it should be tight. Otherwise, the cover will not be like crispy one.
Okay.
So we will leave it for 10-15 minutes. In the meantime, we will make our potato vegetable stuffing.
Smelling very nice. Wow.
Good.
Ah.
Yeah. Okay. Now for the second step, we made 4 cup maida dough. Now we are taking like 10 potatoes and half cup of peas for making the masala. Okay, so first we will make it in small pieces. You do it, Miss Pompey. So our potato is ready. So I am taking 2 tablespoon oil for these potatoes. After this, I am taking this cumin seeds, one teaspoon, just stir it, and then ginger paste or chopped ginger, half a cup paste. After 2 minutes, we just put our potato. And now we are putting our masalas. First, we are going to put dhania powder, 1 teaspoon, chili flakes, cut chopped chilies as per your taste. If you like more chili, then you can put more. If you not, it's fine. Half spoon red chili powder, half spoon chaat masala, half spoon amchur powder, and this is garam masala. And last 1.5 teaspoon salt. Mix them first. And put this cashew nuts, chopped cashew nuts, and this is raisins, 10 to 15 raisins, and at the last chopped coriander. Now mix it. So our stuffing is ready. By the time the stuffing will be cooled down, we will make our cones. So now Miss Pompey, our dough is ready. We just need to knead once or twice more. It will be more nice then. Then we are making little balls. So we will make. First, we are going to put water on the edges like this, and then hold it from like a cone and just press it down and make it like this. It should be pressed nicely, otherwise it will open in the middle in the oil and all the oil will be waste. So press it inside and outside both. Yes. After this, you just fill and if stuffing should be up to here, not up to this, and then we'll put water again.
3/4.
Yes, 3/4. Okay. And the back side, you just fold this like this. And then press it again.
To lock everything inside.
Everything inside, and then this is called samosa. So now our oil is ready. Now too hot, not too hot, not too slow. And now this is perfect one. We can make our gas bit medium gas.
So friends, our tasty, crispy, ghar ka yummy samosas are ready. We have given you, we can show you an example, but this is not the all. You can change it with your need and requirement. This is party samosa as a starter with green and sweet chutney, mint and coriander chutney. This is as a chaat. We can present it in party or snack time. And these samosas are party samosas with curry, Gujarati curry, but with chole and potato vegetable we can serve. Thank you very much to listening us on this program. Next time when we will meet with another snacks or food under the Indian cuisine. Ye ghar ka yummy. I thank you, Mrs. Renu Gupta and Pompey Pal from SVCC to demonstrate good demonstration for making some Indian samosa. I hope this demonstration will help you to make this tasty, famous Indian snack samosa at your home. I think you will utilize this demonstration and thank you. Om Shanti.